Hello, welcome. I thought I'd put together a bunch of our favourite drone shots we took over the past year from our trip around Australia. Before we start, this part of my video is brought to you by the Oodie. This soft, cozy and cute oversized hoodie is perfect to throw on when you're lounging around the house or van. I love that they come in so many different designs, and best of all, it has pockets. If you're interested, I actually have a discount code for you to get $30 off your next Oodie purchase. Just add Holland 30 at the checkout. The Oodie link is in my description for you to check out. Thanks Oodie, now on with the video. I hope you enjoy our van trip from the sky.